Hey guys, it's Kel and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going out and visiting Vegas the Cockatiel again. It looks like he's going to have another 2 weeks before he can come home. Then I'm going to be making a couple stops at a few stores to buy some supplies for an upcoming series on my channel, so stay tuned for that. It looks like rain. Alright, we're here.
Okay.
Yep, definitely looks like it's going to be raining today. Alright, well, let's go see Vegas real quick. I said hi to Elvis here, and he says hi. Hi, Elvis. Hi, Elvis. Yeah, can you say hi again? Can you say hi again, Elvis? Hello. Hi, Elvis. Hello, you just said hello. Hi, Elvis. Hi, Elvis. Yeah, can you say hi again? Can you say hi again, Elvis? Hello. Hi, Elvis. Hello, you just said hello. You just said, can you say hello again? Hi. Hello. Yeah, you good boy. You good boy. Hi.
Yeah.
So he needs another 2 weeks. He's running behind.
Yeah, probably about another week or two for sure. But hopefully one, but I said two just in case.
Well, you figure we're not going to come next day. We're going to bring Sunday.
Sunday, yeah.
And I don't know, like, I had a baby female that I fostered and had the hand raiser, and I don't know if she did the same thing. She just went on, and I kept trying to cut back the formula. She kept going on, and then just literally all at once she decided, I'm done.
Yeah.
Literally all at once she just had no interest in formula
That's
anymore.
what I'm expecting to happen. Yeah, he's a little bit kind of.
You. Look at you. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. You're a sweet boy. Yeah. Bye. Off he goes. Whoa, baby. Ask Elvis to say hello.
Hello. Oh, now you don't want to talk.
These right here are Mango's absolute favorite toy. He will have them destroyed in one day. What are we doing with you? What are we doing?
We went through 8 of these in
Did you?
Yes, and last Saturday, like 4 days. All 8 of them.
Hey!
Started raining too.
Oh.
When do you guys get to take him home?
Oh, he's your bird?
She's and we're thinking on getting her.
Aww.
Oh, okay.
She seems like such a sweetie. I seen her here last week.
Yeah.
Such a cutie.
She just went on my arm and I'm like, love it first sight. She
Yeah.
was like crawling, she went on mine.
Some of the bowl with it, and then if you see a poop in there, you can just switch it out.
Okay.
And after 3 days, you just want to give her completely fresh.
I said it was gonna rain. Ah!
All the stuff that they were buying.
CVS didn't have what I was looking for, so we are gonna try someplace else and hopefully they will have it. in the closeout bin here. It's purple. But it doesn't look like there's anything here that is going to do what I need here. Nope, don't see it here. Looks like we're gonna have to go try Target. Who else remembers when Elf used to be cheap? I remember when this stuff used to be like $1. Look at the prices. That's nice. Alright, that's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.